Meaning of egotistically.
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 Egotistically. Egotistically is an adverb used to describe behavior that is excessively focused on oneself, often to the detriment of others. It describes a person who is self-absorbed, vain, and overly concerned with their own wants and needs. A person who behaves egotistically may exhibit a lack of empathy and concern for others, prioritizing their own desires above all else. This type of behavior can lead to isolation, strained relationships, and missed opportunities for personal growth. In short, to act egotistically is to put oneself first at the expense of others.